Kids and cadets, welcome back to Tommy Time. Thanks for coming out. I had shown you this Briggs & Stratton 500E earlier. I got it in a group of 3 non-runners. This one was the Crumb Cake edition. If you remember, the air filter was all caked up. It looks like crumb cake. I'm guessing they never changed the air filter. This is a 2014 model year. So, new air filter, and the recoil was screwed up. I had to replace the recoil with a used unit. The guts on that were all broken up. The spring and whatnot fell out of it when I took the plastic housing off to do the carb clean. So it's got a used recoil and a new air filter. There was some contamination in the tank, some water got into the bowl that had some contamination as well. Jets plugged up, so that's why this thing would not run earlier. We did the Happy Juice test and it just stalled out. So let me pull on this one and you can hear what it sounds like. Great sounding machine. This should sell rather quickly with the high rear wheels. It's just your basic 22-inch cut with the 5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. So I'll take some pictures of this fine beauty and put it up for sale and move it down the road to a happy pasture somewhere in the county. As always, kids and cadets, thanks for coming out and checking out my channel. I've got a few more videos to post, so stay tuned. Talk to you soon. Have a great day today.